Hello everyone. Today we'll go through Guridon service. So what is actually Guridon service? The definition of the term Guridon is a movable service or trolley from which food is curved, filtered, flambéed or prepared and served. It is, in other words, a movable sideboard which can give significant equipment for the immediate operation in hand. Whatever, it should also carry much special equipments in case of emergency if necessary. The Gurido service itself comes in various forms, that is, Carol gas, trolley specially made for the purpose, a plain trolley or even a small table. Flambe dish first became popular in Edwarden, that is, the first claimed flambe dish was crepe Suzette, which was invented by Henry Carpenter working as an commis at the Café de Paris in Monte Carlo and the year 1894. So let us know the mise à plat for Goridon. When necessary, the top and under the shelf of Goridon should be covered with a folded tablecloth. This, of course, depends on the nature of Goridon itself and its generally appearance. For the convenience of working, the cutlery and flatware layout by similar to that of the sideboard. It saves time and speed up the service from right to left. Next mise à plat that we need are service spoon and fork, sweet spoon and fork, soup, tea and coffee spoon, fish knife and fish fork. Special equipment include a soup and soup ladle. And lastly, joint and side knife. So here are few special equipments that we use in Guridon trolley. First, it's flare lamps. Next, chafing dish or Suzette pan. Next, we have is hot plates. Then Gurido color gas. So here are few alcohols that we used in Gurido trolley. As we all know, in Gurido trolley, we serve different varieties of flambe dish. So for flambeing, we need a type of spirit. So these are the spirit that are normally used in Gurido service. So spirits like brandy and rum to flambe, fortified wine to sweetening, sparkling wine to give color, still wine, table wine to balance flavor, beer to determine correct consistency, syrups to remove excessive fat or grease. So this is the sequence for the service of Gurido. First, it is soup. So always served from the Gurido, whether in individual soup turner or in large soup turners, required a ladle. All accompaniment passed. Next we have is fish. Then we have meat. Meat needs to be curved where necessary and served from Gurido trolley. The next sequence of service is potatoes and vegetables, served as previously mentioned together with sauce and accompaniments. Next is sweet, served from Gurido in a flambe type dish or from a cold sweet trolley, and all the accompaniments need to be passed. Next we have is Savory, served from the Gourido trolley. And lastly is coffee. Normal silver service, usually specialty coffees are required for this service. So thank you for watching the video.